Get him, Gabe! Okay, how do you turn? Alright. Got this. Nope. Alright, don't go into a spiral on me. Black Hawk down, Black Hawk down. Black Hawk down. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my god, that was natural. Don't go back.
Oh my crotch! Goose!
Hey, what are you doing up here?
Oh god. Ah!
Oh my god.
Watch out, Alex.
Stop. Go to the left. Left. Stop. Oh! He's got it. He's got it. He'll get back up. He'll get back up as soon as he gets off carpet. Up here, buddy. There we go. Why do you want to go
Quit in the wall, Ryan.
Hey, shut up. I want to see you fly this thing.
Oh, fucking ow!
Boat technique. That was awesome. I did not think that through. Stop spiraling.
You gotta trim it.
Ah! I don't know how to trim it.
You got buttons on
I
there.
know the trim buttons. What do the trim buttons do?
Whatever direction it's spiraling, trim it in the opposite direction.
What would that mean? That makes sense. Hey, this is done. This is surprisingly durable. This is not what I expected whatsoever. Oh, he's back. Back up. Trim, 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 trim. Oh my god, that was terrible. He did a backflip. I didn't even try turning it yet.
I think it's broke.
Look at that. It's not broke. God dang, I'm a genius. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Alright.
Fly him outside so he won't hit walls and stuff.
No, it's made for indoor use. It says indoor use only. Alright, so I guess the turning features on it don't work at all.
No.
Gravity, trim, down.